In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Lottiefiles plugin for Figma, perfect for integrating Lottie animations into your Figma designs. This guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure you can easily add dynamic, engaging animations to your design projects. To kick things off, let's head over to Figma. If you're not already familiar, Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that's widely used for its powerful features and ease of accessibility. Open up your preferred web browser and visit the Figma website. Once you're there, you'll want to log in. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to do so. Otherwise, hit that login button, enter your credentials, and let's keep moving forward. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to Figma's homepage. From here, navigate to the Home section. You'll find it in the main navigation menu. This section is a central hub where all your ongoing and past projects are housed, making it easy to access the design you're currently working on or start a new one. Now that we're in the Home section of Figma, it's time to dive into the design process. Click on the Design tab. Here you have the opportunity to either create a new design or select an existing one that you'd like to enhance with Lottie animations. If you're starting fresh, simply hit New Design and get your canvas ready. Next up is an important step where we access the Action menu, a pivotal tool in both setting up your design and integrating plugins. Click on Action to open up options that let you manage plugins and perform other advanced tasks. With the Action menu open, it's time to find the Lottiefiles plugin. In the search field, type in Lottiefiles and locate the plugin in the list that appears. The Lottiefiles plugin is a fantastic resource for finding, customizing, and integrating animations directly into your Figma designs. With an extensive library of animations, it offers the flexibility to match your project's unique style and needs. Once you've found the Lottiefiles plugin, click on it. This will prompt a panel or a window with further options specific to Lottiefiles functionalities. One final step here is to click on Run. This action initiates the plugin, effectively launching it within your Figma workspace. Now with the plugin running, you're all set to bring your designs to life with beautiful Lottie animations. You can now browse the library, choose animations, and seamlessly add them to your design canvas. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated the Lottiefiles plugin into your Figma workflow. This tool not only enhances the visual appeal of your designs, but also significantly boosts user engagement. We hope you find this guide useful as you begin experimenting with animations in your design projects.